Welcome back. Meteorologist Dillon Gaudet here with a look at those weather headlines on your Tuesday morning. Temperatures going to be warming up today, especially into eastern Kentucky, where we only reached the mid-70s yesterday. I think everyone reaches at least the upper 70s, near 80 degrees. And here in central Kentucky, we may even reach the mid-80s for a lot of folks. We'll be tracking some rain and storm chances on the way tomorrow, and rain continuing into Thursday. Now, this will be bringing beneficial rain, but also the chance of maybe a few stronger storms as you head into your Wednesday afternoon and evening, before we will be drying out once again this weekend as we head into the first week of October next week. Temperatures continue to climb as that fog has faded for most. 67 in Lexington, 64 Danville, Richmond, still at 55 in the Hazard, so still could be dealing with a little bit of patchy fog remaining into those river valleys out east. Max HG radar outside of some low-level moisture being picked up there. We're clear, good to go. Smooth sailing for us today. Mostly sunny skies. We will see some of that cloud cover returning over the northern half of our viewing area later this afternoon. It's just going to be upper level clouds, though, not much to worry about. Again, low to mid 80s in central Kentucky, upper 70s near 80 out east. As you head into your morning hours tomorrow, that's where we're going to start to see that rain chance increase, especially for that morning commute into central Kentucky. We get a bit of a lull in the precipitation as you head into your lunchtime hours, and then by the late afternoon and evening, that's where we see some scattered, isolated to scattered showers and storms returning. Notice it's not going to be raining all day. There will even be some sunshine in between any of those showers and storms. Wednesday afternoon and evening is when we could see the chance, a low-end risk of some strong to severe thunderstorms as well. Thursday's risk, there could be a couple storms within this line of showers, but I think it's mainly going to be a steadier rain that's just going to slowly drift off towards the south and the east, eventually leading to some drier conditions by your late Thursday evening into Friday, with just a spotty chance of a shower or two possible for Friday. Your severe weather outlook for your Wednesday, though, basically the I-75 corridor west towards the I-65 corridor, so central Kentucky, north central Kentucky, and the Lake Cumberland region into southern Kentucky, where we could see isolated damaging wind gusts and some isolated hail within the storms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Here's a look at the futurecast rainfall through Friday, again bringing us beneficial rain, but with the blue there, that's a ½ inch to 1.5 inches, so not where we could, not approaching the level that could produce any flooding concerns. So that's some good news outside of an isolated risk into some of those flood-prone areas. Here's a look at your drought monitor. Again, this came out last week. We need the rain. Abnormally dry is that category in the yellow, and this is likely to increase because the measurements for this week take place today, so before any of that rain falls, it does get released on Thursday, though. And we need the rain because we are looking drier than normal, especially concentrated right over the Ohio Valley for the first week of October. Again, this is from the 1st, which is Sunday, through the 5th, which is next week. So again, we'll be watching that threat because it's not only going to be dry too, but it's going to warm on up as well. Temperatures likely into the low to mid 80s through much of next week, and that's centered right over top of the Midwest. For your Tuesday, though, mostly sunny and warmer today. Kind of a hint at what we're going to deal with next week. Tonight, quiet early with those shower and storm chances increasing by tomorrow morning, especially into central Kentucky. And there's a look at your 7-day forecast. So Thursday looking a little dreary after those showers and storms on Wednesday. Friday, try to dry on out with drier and warmer conditions expected heading into the weekend.